We are at Desert Labradors today conducting temperament testing on all of our 6-week-old puppies, and this is a beautiful female we call Stormie, and Stormie has a really light cream color coat, and we're going to start with Stormie by putting her on her back and counting to 10 and see how she responds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And she started to wiggle around 6 or 7, but definitely didn't protest much whatsoever. And now we're going to walk away from Stormie without saying anything and see how she responds. Just checking out some smells. And then let's see if we can get her to be interested in you by beckoning to her.
Come here, baby, come here.
Sometimes they come to little kissing noises.
Come here, Stormie.
She's like, but there's something really interesting right here. We'll go ahead and try the dangle hold on Stormie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and just a little bit of a wiggle on 9. And now we'll see if Stormie's early retrieving instinct is kicking in yet. I'll show her that toy and throw it just a couple feet away, and she is definitely interested in getting that. Let's see if she might bring it back to you.
Stormie, come here. Stormie, come here.
She's finding more interesting smells in that grass. Let's try that again. Get it, Stormie. And another leap. It's very interesting. She is just a sweet, docile girl, and that is Stormie. Bye, Stormie.